If you're looking to master Process.st's task comments and streamline your workflow, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to effectively use the task comments feature in Process.st to boost collaboration and keep track of progress. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share an exclusive way for you to access the software for free with some extra bonuses. Task comments in Process.st are a powerful way to communicate within a workflow. They allow you to add notes to tasks, keep track of updates, and share important information with your team all in one place. Whether you're working solo or collaborating with others, task comments can help you stay on top of everything happening within a task. When you open a task in Process.st, you'll see the comment section right at the bottom of the task. This is where all the action happens. You can add comments to provide updates, ask questions, or clarify any points with your team. Comments can be especially useful when you're working on a multi-step process, ensuring everyone involved stays aligned. To add a comment, simply click on the Add Comment box, type your message, and hit Enter. It's that simple. But here's the cool part. You can tag team members in comments by typing I followed by their name. This will notify them that you've mentioned them, and they'll know to take action or respond. This is a huge time saver because it keeps the communication in one central place, rather than relying on external emails or messages. Additionally, you can attach files to your comments, which makes this feature even more powerful. Need to share a document or a screenshot to clarify your point? Just click the paperclip icon, upload the file, and it'll be linked directly in the comment. This can really help make sure everyone has all the context they need to move forward. If you're working with a team, you can also resolve comments. When a comment is no longer needed, you can mark it as resolved. This will help keep your task clean and organized, showing you which points have been addressed and which ones still need attention. It's a great way to track progress and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. For a more efficient workflow, you can also pin important comments that you want to stand out. This feature ensures that crucial information is always at the top and easily accessible, so you won't have to scroll through tons of comments to find the key updates. But here's the thing. If you're using Process.st's task comments, you're already using a fantastic tool for collaboration. However, there's a lot more that Process.st can do. For example, combining task comments with checklists, automations, and integrations can really transform how you manage tasks, communicate with your team, and ensure that everything runs smoothly. One tip to really optimize your use of task comments is to maintain clarity and keep messages brief. Instead of writing long paragraphs, try to keep your comments clear and to the point. This way, anyone who reads them will instantly know what's needed or what's been discussed without getting bogged down in unnecessary details. As you dive deeper into Process.st, you'll start to see how task comments can fit seamlessly into your workflow. It's a tool that can help you save time, reduce miscommunication, and keep everything organized. And with the ability to work with a team and keep things collaborative, you'll be able to handle even the most complex processes with ease. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can try Process.st for free using the first link in the description below. Plus, you'll get some exclusive bonuses to get you started. If you've never used Process.st before, this is a great opportunity to jump in and take advantage of all the powerful features it offers, including task comments, so you can boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the link below for your extended free trial of Process.st.